Hey guerreiros, welcome back again. Today's video is gonna be about capoeira history. We will take a look on what capoeira means, the origin, how it developed, and what does it have in common capoeira and cacao. And of course, we will start first with cacao. Can you guess where it's from? Cacao is originally from Africa. Brazil produces a lot of cacao that is used to make the chocolate that you eat. The cup of cacao or piece of chocolate will help you to process the information from the video. Make sure that you have some paper where you can draw or write what you consider interesting. In the end of the video, there is gonna be a challenge. And this is how it starts. From Portugal to Africa and Brazil. From the 16th to the early 19th century, Brazil was a colony and a part of Portuguese Empire. This is only 300 years. Fun fact, do you know how Brazil get the name? Exploitation of the territory was based first on Brazil wood, pau-brasil, which gave the territory its name. Back to Africa. The importation of African slaves began midway through the 16th century. And what was happening in Brazil? Native people, Indians, were often captured by expeditors called bandeiras, literally flag carriers, and they also became slaves. All the slaves from Africa and Brazil worked together, and this is how they also shared their cultures. Slavery was the base of Brazilian economy. Furthermore, they have the main role. They were responsible for all the labor and produce all the wealth in Brazil. Mostly they were working on the sugar production, gold and diamond mining. So, how did the slaves fight against the oppression? With capoeira. In the musical and rhythmical elements of the form, violent kicks were distinguished as a passionate dance movement, and its combination of a mixture of West African culture saved it from being identified as an attempt to preserve any specific tradition. As such, capoeira came to life as a survival tool not only of self-defense but also of cultural identity. That's why in capoeira we can find different traditional dances from African and Brazilian cultures. One of the original dances that is also root of capoeira is Angola, the zebra dance from Africa. There is also macolelé and puxada de rede. If you are interested into dance part of capoeira, just let us know. There are many interesting stories behind it. But let's move on. Using capoeira, many slaves escaped their masters and formed a rebellion group known as quilombos. Quilombos were communities where capoeira was still practiced, and those places were one of the main reasons why capoeira has survived to this day. After slavery, 19th century. There was the end of slavery, and Brazil brought about a darker era for capoeira, with its martial elements being used for criminal purposes. As Brazil's population expanded, crime exploded within the urban centers, and capoeira was one of the many weapons used by criminal elements. But capoeira was still practicing on the street. In that time, capoeiristas developed specific rhythm for berimbau, called cavalaria, that announced police approaching. Another main reason why capoeira survived goes to thanks to Mestre Bimba and Pastinha that fought for making capoeira legal again. More about them you will get to know in the next video, where we will discover different styles of capoeira. Today, capoeira is a cultural icon of Brazil, and it's widely practiced around the whole world, being performed in different contexts from entertaining, performances, dances. Capoeira is a diverse martial art, and it's popular for those who are interested in a fun exercises that teaches basic martial art and acrobatics. Last but not least, the challenge! I know there were a tons of information today, but you know what? Learning is a never-ending story. So, you can choose which one you will do. First option. What does capoeira mean to you? You can write it down, you can draw it, you can write a poem, make an art, just be creative. Second option. Make your own drawings or notes from the video. the facts that were the most interesting for you, the facts that you already know, the facts that maybe are not in the video, what was maybe inspiring for you, or the facts that you want to know more about it. And don't forget to have fun. See you next time.